Good afternoon. Take your seat. Okay. This way. Thank you. Amresh Mishra. Oh, Nayak. Okay. How are you today?
I'm fine.
What is the climate effect? Any climate effect on you?
No,
Where are you coming now? You are coming from Bhubaneswar or somewhere else?
I'm staying here in Bhubaneswar.
You are staying at Bhubaneswar.
Yes.
From which place you are coming?
I'm from Jaspur.
Yes, you have come from Jajpur. Okay. Your name Amresh Naik. What is Amresh?
Amaresh. So it is the meaning of that name is Indra. Amar is if we do Sandhi Vicheda of that word, it's Amar plus Isa, Amaresha.
Mm-hmm.
So Indra, the meaning of that name.
Okay. It's good name. A very good name. Huh? You are keeping geography and economics are your option.
Yes, geography and economics.
But you are a student on which subjects? Basically, from graduation level, you are a BTech student.
BTech.
You are an engineer. Okay.
Yes.
What prompted you to change your optional? As an engineer student, you should keep engineering as your subject.
Yes. Actually, after completion of my engineering, I joined software industry.
Okay.
I was working there. So later on, I could not continue my engineering studies.
Okay.
Then I started developing interest in traveling, and as I am working in capital market domain, that is security market domain, so I started developing interest in economics also. So for that reason, I have chosen these two subjects,
Geography and
geography and economics.
Okay. Okay. Do you think this subject will be beneficial for your public administration?
Yes, so it helped me in writing mains also.
Suppose you are coming from Jajpur
Yes.
and to Cuttack to and Bhubaneswar. What are the different rivers you come across?
Yes, in Jaspur, we find Brahmani river.
Yes.
Then the branch of Brahmani, Kuakhai, Kharasrota. Then we come across Mahanadi. Then the branches of Mahanadi, Kuakhai, and another branch is Budha also, Brahmani's branch. So these are the rivers we come across. Mainly Brahmani and Mahanadi.
What is the economic importance of Jajpur for the state?
Sorry, I didn't get
What
it.
is the economical importance of Jajpur, district Jajpur?
Yes.
Contribution for the state economy.
Yes. So as Jaspur comes in the coastal area and it has very fertile soil. So economic importance is like it is we are a agriculturally it has importance. So the cultivation happens are like paddy, then groundnut, and other economic importance is like there are Daitari. That's the
Exactly.
yeah. So yes, Daitari mines is there, and steel. A lot of steel companies are also there in Jaspur.
What is your opinion about Kalinganagar and the event that happened in Kalinganagar? Do you think that this is a justified endeavor by Kalinganagar? The event that happened?
Sir, I just remember that event. It's I think very long before. So I think the concern of the local people have not been taken, and that's why there is a conflict between this the administration and the local people.
Okay.
So before going to take any steps, so they should consult the local people. That is
Okay. What is your hobby?
My hobbies are writing short stories in Odia and storytelling, narrating stories. I have one YouTube channel where whatever stories I have written till now, I am narrating there.
Short stories or
Short stories,
who
basically.
is the best short story writer of Odisha?
Sorry, I didn't get it.
Short story writer of Odisha. Give some good names.
Manoj Das.
Manoj Das. And any others?
Short story, Fakir Mohan Senapati.
Okay. Then what is the best short story of Fakir Mohan Senapati?
I remember Randipo Ananta, Rebati.
What you learned from Rebati in the present social context?
Yeah, so the story was written. I mean it says about the that social structure of that particular time. But that has been changed a lot. So now women are they have come forward and they are participating in all the
Okay.
sectors. They are representing even defense.
Okay.
Yeah.
What is EV policy of 2021? EV,
Sorry.
electoral vehicle policy of 2021.
No, sir, I have not gone through that.
Recently, to control pollution and making the electrical vehicle at around 20%, the state cabinet has taken a decision that is called electric policy 2021. By
Yes.
that, they are giving certain incentive those people who are purchasing two-wheeler, four-wheeler, and five-wheeler. What is e-governance and good governance? And justified under the justification of 5T presently introduced nowhere.
Yes, so basically e-governance, it is we are taking help of technology in governance field. Like we are
What is e-governance? E stand for what?
it is electronic
Yes. good.
governance.
Yes.
So we are including digital medium in governance. Like it will be quicker and faster, and transparency also can be maintained in e-governance.
What is 5T?
I remember two words. One is timely delivery and transparent manner, and other three I am not able to recall.
Okay, try to read it. Huh?
Sure.
Okay, sir.
Thank you.
What were your subjects in OS?
Sir, it is geography and economics.
Geography and economics. Anyway, you are aware of the constitutional provisions. You are aware of the constitutional provisions,
Yes.
is it? No, there is a preamble in the constitution.
Yes.
What it tells?
Preamble, it is the introduction of our Indian constitution. It gives the introduction.
Yes.
So basically it defines the nature of our Indian constitution. I don't remember the entire text
No,
of that.
what is the essence of that preamble?
It shows the character of Indian.
No, to establish which type of country? Or nation?
Socialist, secular,
A sovereign,
sovereign, socialist, secular,
Sovereign, secular, democratic.
democratic
How come?
republic.
republic. Then another thing comes up, socialistic pattern of society.
Yes.
What is that concept? Define that concept.
Yeah. When we talk about socialistic pattern of governance, that is like inclusive. We should include all the deprived classes of the society into the mainstream. So that is basically inclusive, socialistic. And like in India, we have many people who are living behind, like below the BPL line. So arranging all the benefits, means basic benefits for them, so that they can be included in all governance policies and all. So that is socialistic in nature.
In which part of the constitution
Yeah.
that has been prescribed as a direction to the states?
Yeah, this is the directive principle of state policy.
In which part of the constitution we can find it?
It is part 4.
Part 4. Okay. Now, there is a term called pluralist democracy.
Yes.
What is that?
Basically, democracy, the definition itself is pluralistic in nature, where the opinion and the concern of all the people participating should be considered. And yeah, so pluralistic, I mean in the same way, when we are taking consideration of all the people in that state, that becomes pluralistic democracy.
Pluralist means we have to take into consideration the interest of all the sections of the society,
Yes.
all ethnic groups,
Yes.
all linguistic groups,
Groups. Yeah.
all religious communities, they must feel that we belong to one nation. Understand?
Yes.
Does the Taliban follow this type of policy in Afghanistan?
So far, it has not been seen in case of Taliban. That is a small group which the ideology are very conservative in nature. So they don't take the opinion of all the people in society, and they try to establish their Sharia law in their state. So I would say they have inspired from the Wahhabi movement.
No, are their rules justified?
So far, it is not justified.
Why?
Because they are not encouraging democracy in Afghanistan. The earlier government was civil government, which is democratic in nature, but now they are
They
not.
forcibly removed it.
Yes,
Without election, they assumed power.
yes, correct.
That's why none of the countries have so far recognized them.
Yes,
Okay.
So you are from economic.
yes,
You
sir.
have taken economics as your subject.
Optional.
So can you tell me the present economic growth
Education.
as reported by the government?
Uh,
The first quarter GDP growth.
नहीं 50 में ऐसा कौन
currently,
Education तो 40 ले लो तो।
I mean, Indian economy is reviving.
50 total.
It has achieved near 10% growth from the last quarter.
No, in the first quarter of this financial year,
Yes.
recently government published the data on that. What is the economic GDP growth rate reported in that first quarter of the financial year?
It is 10%.
एजुकेशन तक अपन देखते नहीं
It
बैकग्राउंड
is 20.1%.
Okay, sir.
Okay, what is V-shaped economic recovery?
Yeah, yes, the V shape is like when there is economic downfall, it becomes the negative growth happens.
Now I am asking specifically in the V-shaped economic growth of India during the pandemic.
Yeah, it happened recently that it went down.
That is
That
called
negative growth,
that period is known as
30 सकता
depression.
No.
है 80 तरह की
Because for 3 quarters consecutively, Indian
it was
Indian
recession.
economy.
It was recession, not depression.
Yes,
Okay.
it's in recession.
Then
Then it is bouncing back. It
that is known as when it bounced back from the dip. It is known as that period known as
uh,
recovery.
recovery.
Okay. So I will ask you some rapid fire round. Who is the RBI governor?
Sitakant Mahapatra.
वो
Who is the Odisha finance minister?
थैंक यू ମୁଁ କଥା ହେବି
No, sir.
Who is union finance minister?
Nirmala Sitaraman.
ମୁଁ
Who
ଖାଇ
is
ବସିଛି
Niti Aayog chairperson?
ମୁଁ ଗୋଟେ ମିଟିଂ ରେ ଥିଲି
Niti Aayog chairperson.
Amitabh Kant.
Chairperson.
Narendra Modi.
Who is the head of IMD? IMD. Indian Meteorological Department.
Murtunjay Mahapatra.
Who is the head of that national that Narcotic Control Bureau?
No, sir.
Who is the director of NDRF? DG of NDRF.
I forgot, sir.
Who is the DG of Odisha?
No, sir. I can't.
Okay.
ओके थैंक यू
Coming to your other optional geography.
Yes.
So what is El Nino?
El Nino is a geographical phenomenon in which the eastern Pacific Ocean gets warmer, and so that the cycle of the monsoon cycle that gets turned to the western Australian side, so that there is less rainfall happens in the Indian continent. So that is.
So do that have any impact on Indian monsoon?
Yes, the turnaround happens of Indian monsoon, the southwest monsoon that weakens.
Okay. So what is your idea about the impact of the Amazon fire on the global climate?
Yes, basically that creates a lot of pollution and the forest cover, because that is called the lungs of
Oxygen
the
sac.
earth,
ऑक्सीजन सैक और लंग्स
lungs of the earth. So
ऑफ द
But
वर्ल्ड
what is the recent report about Amazon rainforest? It is no more oxygen that the carbon sink of that Amazon forest was a carbon sink. But the recent report says it is no more a carbon sink. What is carbon sink?
Carbon sink is like whatever carbon the industry is producing or
Only industry or
no entire so that carbon is being taken by the forests, so that is carbon sink.
Can you see, tell the 6 pillars of this year's union budget? 6 pillars.
6 pillars of
This year's union budget. They have declared clearly 6 pillars of the 21-22 budget.
so I remember one pillar, that is disinvestment,
No, that's not a pillar.
Atmanirbhar Bharat.
No.
No sir, I think
Okay, remember that. That's most
Sure.
important because economics. What is macroeconomics? What is microeconomics?
Microeconomics deals with the micro unit of economy, like the price change, then the demand and supply, these things. But macroeconomics, it is entire economy, just at a macro level.
What is Lorentz curve? Lorentz curve.
Lorentz curve gives the relation between the tax and tax rate and the economy growth.
Who heads the GST council?
Is the finance minister of India.
Of India.
Recently,
Just there is a meeting of the GST council.
45th committee of the GST under Sitaramaya conducted, and petroleum and other diesel is not included in GST. This decision today taken.
When GST was introduced,
It got introduced in 2017.
which date?
First, it is
Particular date. 2017 is right, but on which day? Date?
I think in September.
No. Okay, that is important. So how many slabs in GST? How many slabs? Tax slabs in GST, under GST. How many tax slabs under GST? Tax rates, as you
Rates.
call it. How many rates or slabs? They are called slab. How
I
many
don't
slabs?
remember, sir, that slabs.
Okay.
GST better, read better, है ना?
Okay.
Your over knowledge is very good.
What is just last one? So what is? Do you read the newspaper?
Yes, I mean, while I was preparing exam, so I was going through the
You
newspaper.
have to face the interview. So obviously you have to read the newspaper to update yourself.
Sure.
Are you not reading it right now?
Yes, I'm ready.
What do you read today?
Today I have not gone through
Yesterday?
it. Uh,
In the
yesterday.
last 1 week, tell me 3 important news that you came across in the newspaper.
I was reading about disinvestment
Okay.
currently. The steps being, I mean, the government is
What is
planning
the
for
investment
strategic.
target for this year?
It is 1.2 lakh crore.
No.
But 40
No, you are wrong. If you
For
don't know,
2021
it is 1.35 lakh crore. This year's target is 1.35 lakh crore.
yes, 40,000 has been
Collected last
collect
year.
last year.
Last year. The target was same for the last financial year also. But collection was only 14,000 crore. Okay. What is the national monetization pipeline as declared recently by the government?
So is it disinvestment process?
Different. Disinvestment different and monetization different. Or are they same for you as economic students?
ଦେବଦାଉ କୁହନ୍ତୁ ମିଟିଂ ଅଛି ନମସ୍କାର କୁହନ୍ତୁ
In disinvestment, what happens?
ମୁଁ କଥା ହଉଛି,
The
କଥା ହଉଛି।
transfer of
Meeting ରେ
the
ଅଛି,
management
ଆପଣ
shifts
କହୁଛି,
to
କଣ ହେଇଛି
Ownership and management, both
ownership and management.
to private entity.
Private
But in case of monetization,
It's like
ownership never changes.
ownership never changes, but share the
It is
shares
given
of that.
it will be given on lease. एवढा टिके देखो है ना
Sure,
because you are from economics.
sure, sure.
So they are the very current economic issues.
ତମର ଓଭରଅଲ୍ ନଲେଜ ଇଜ
ହଁ।
ଗୁଡ୍ କିନ୍ତୁ ଇକୋନୋମିକ୍ସରେ ଟିକେ ଅଛି ବିକଜ ୟୁ ଆର୍ ଷ୍ଟୁଡେଣ୍ଟ ଇନ୍ ଇଞ୍ଜିନିୟରିଂ ୟୁ ହାଭ୍ ନଟ୍ ଗୋଇଂ ଡେପ୍ଥ ଟୁ ଦ ଇକୋନୋମି ସୋ ପ୍ଲିଜ
Because you have opted economics, so
Okay,
possibility
so
of and Indian
economic-
economy and global economy
Economic.
both are on a very
very well connected. So then geography also. Your local geography, your district, your state, and your India and international relation, both. Both
okay.
should be read.
Update.
Update.
Things are confidence level is good. Your body language seems good. Sir,
good.
any other
Your
information?
overall
Alright.
knowledge is good.
Okay. So update, you need a factual updation.
I'll go through
हाँ,
economics.
Please. Okay, thank you.
Read more, read more. Huh?
Thank you, sir.
And your spoken is also good. So try to little deliver better and try to knowledge is power. When you gain more knowledge, you can speak confidently. Confidence is the first pillar of success. When you speak confidently, that speak that you are confident in your subject. That comes through knowledge. So try to acquire more knowledge in your subject, like economics and geography. Okay, best
Sure.
of luck. Best of luck. Go.
Thank you very much.
Okay.